So I wanted to create this new form. It's super easy to use and it's designed to only take a few minutes to fill out. It is a technical assistance TA site visit agenda. Now, we are trying to complete these before every site visit. So what you're going to put here in the first box is the grantee information. And the first thing we're going to start with is the recipient site. I just filled this in, for example, the Spokane Tribe Language program, but this can be your specific language program wherever you are, your program director, who's ever in charge. And this is just an example that I filled out. Other staff participating, this can be any assisting staff or anybody really. We have reoccurring monthly call slots. So this is when we typically have your monthly call, your coaching call. And then down below we have description of the site visit being what problems or needs you need to be addressed. So here you can put them as a bulleted list. Um, and also we have goals of site visit, TA. So what you really want to be your goals to accomplish. And then here we do have special events or highlights of the site visit. So being, maybe if you have something really special that our TA director would be able to see. So if Cree was coming there and you were going to show a special ceremony, this would be a place you could put that. And here we have our rough agendas. This is just supposed to be really, really basic, and maybe if you don't know, you can just throw something in there. So I threw an example together here. I have day 1 of the site visit. You're going to put, the day in month, date, year format, then a little dash, and where it's going, where, the TA director would be meeting, the grantee recipient site, where they would be, the venue. So here I just put in Spokane Tribal Reservation, for example. Maybe it is like down here, your community wellness center on your tribal land. It can be really anywhere. And then here I put in a few descriptions. I'm thinking that just AM and PM would be okay here. So here we have welcome reception, and this is going to include all of our supporting staff member, our local director, and then Cree, which would be coming to this site visit. And then PM, I just have language classes and demonstrations with Kevin and Cree, the director, and also Cree. So here, I have all these boxes here. You can choose to use them if you're going to do many things, or if you're not quite sure, you can just fill in a couple things for the time being. So here I have another example, day 2, the day and where we were going to be. So I just kept the same date here, same location here because the training was going to be in the same location. Maybe the Spokane Tribal Reservation Admin Center. Can be anything you want. And here I have 2 things going on in the morning. We're going to have a busy morning with several different people. And then the PM, we're going to have live language classes. And then I'm doing the same thing here on day 3, but notice the location here is different in my example. We're going to a different venue. So that's how it's going to be. You have all these boxes to fill in activities. Each activity should have its own box, and the AM, PM time frame would work great for this agenda. And right down here, I have a little note. When finished, please email to one of the following. You can email it to Cree, you can email it to me, myself, Kevin, or you can email it to Maria, and we will all share it with each other. So whatever works for you. And I really hope that this form really helps. Cree, Maria, and I will always be here to assist if there's any confusion or anything, any questions you might have about this form. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed my brief demonstration video. Have an awesome day, guys.